My people, ndewono, how una dey? Today I want to talk about love, ịfụnanya. This is the word that I hear a lot in many Igbo songs. The word that can also be a name, a very beautiful name. So we know that ịfụnanya is a compound word. Ifu means to see and nanya in the eye. Now I don't know how my husband's ancestors came up with this one, but this one is very good, very poetic and beautiful and deep. We also know that to say I love you, we'd say afụrụ gị n'anya, which literally translates into I'm looking into your eye. So now I want to really understand what the true meaning of that is. So does that mean that I'm just lovingly gazing into your eye while I'm saying I love you? That makes perfect sense. But maybe I'm looking through your eyes to touch your essence. Or maybe while I'm looking into your eyes, I see my reflection in them. So I see myself in you. What do you think? Gịnị ka unu chere?